Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I just wanted to say hi to those who are following me on this Julie Nutting Paper Doll Altered Book project, and to say thank you to Cynthia. She's a watcher who sent a little tip to my PayPal account, so thank you so much, Cynthia. I appreciate it so much. So here's what we've got so far in our project. We have the On the Edge girls that layer one on top of each other. We've got the cute window page, the door page, the pocket page with tags, the fairy page, and then the hats with the heart flip out. So it's coming along really well. I'm loving it. It's so fun. And I've got about half of the book left to still play in. The next project is going to be a fashion show. So stay tuned for my idea for a fashion show. So I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, and to say that this coming up week, I will be on vacation for a week, a staycation, and so I won't be working on this project, and then the week I return from that, I'll be busy working on that project and a few others. So it may be about 2 weeks or so before you see the next video, but I just wanted to stop in, say hi, tell you to stay tuned for the next altered book project in this book, which is going to be a Julie Nutting paper doll fashion show. So stay tuned. Don't give up on me just because you don't see a video every week. It takes a week or two to even make the video and edit it and put it out here. So I appreciate everybody just staying tuned and staying put and hanging in there while we work on this project, because we're going to work on it to completion. Also, there's about 200 and some plus other videos in my channel for all different kinds of other projects too, and flip throughs of a lot of my journals and things. So if you haven't seen some of my other videos and you've only stumbled upon this project, check out my channel and all the other videos while you're waiting for me to come back with the next video. So thanks again, everybody. Stay tuned. There's more fun to come. Go make art, because art soothes the heart.